guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are ready for my first Halloween tutorial of the year. We are going to be turning into this zombie dead nurse. And first we're taking the liquid latex. I like to get mine from Amazon, but you can get yours wherever. I'll actually link the one that I bought below. And I'm applying that liquid latex with a little sponge all over my lower half of my face. So cheeks, chin, nose, and a little bit on my mouth. And then I'm taking 1-ply toilet paper and then applying that right on top of the wet liquid latex. And I'm going to put that on top of it and then more liquid latex right on top. And I'm going to keep going until I have the desired thickness of the mask. But be careful because the toilet paper will start getting stuck to your little sponge. So I just had a few of them on hand, and every time the toilet paper would get too stuck to the sponge, I would just grab a new one and add more liquid latex. Next, for our fake teeth, I actually bought some acrylic nails from the dollar store, and using a nail file, I just shaped them down to the desired height that I wanted them to be. And also I was able to use just one pack to do the whole top teeth and bottom teeth. So just using a little bit of that liquid latex to use it as a glue to stick on the teeth worked just fine. Moving on to the rest of my face, I use colors like black, brown, and dark gray to start shading in my face. I don't have any makeup on underneath this, so I just use those colors all over my forehead, my temples, and then I just started creating that like grungy, dirty, sunken look, especially right by the eyes. And you just want to make sure to add in a lot near your eyes because you want to look like a zombie, like you haven't slept in days and weeks and you have that sunken eye look. And then you don't want to forget your ears because they are part of the entire look, and you want to make sure they look dirty and old, so adding in those colors will be perfect. And I also added those same colors to my chest, making it look like I had like little to no skin left on my body, and just making it look very sunken and old and dirty. So I think it looked really good, and those colors really helped make it look like my bones were sticking out and my skin was very sunken. By using shades like green and purple and dark browns, I'm giving my face more of a moldy, dirty, bruised up look. So I'm adding that into different parts of my face and my neck and also my chest so that it looks like I am molding. And then with that purple shade, it's gonna look like I have really old skin and maybe even like blood that's dried up. So I really like how it's turning out, and it just makes it look so realistic with adding that purple shade in there. Now I'm taking this maroon liquid lipstick, and this one is from Molly Cosmetics, and I'm creating this vein look on the side of my face, and I'm also going to be adding that to parts of my forehead and my neck as well. Using that same liquid lipstick, I'm adding it right on top of the mask now that it is nice and dry. And now going in with a darker liquid lipstick, I believe this one was in black, also from Molly Cosmetics. I am adding in the gums, making them look very dirty and old and moldy. And I'm just going around all of the teeth. And then using our vampire blood, which I also picked up from Amazon, I'm applying that right on top of the areas that I put the liquid lipstick, and this is going to give it more of a bloody look to it. and as you can see, it dries up a little bit darker than the liquid lipstick. And I'm also applying it all over my dress, and then using the end of my brush, I am just dipping it into the blood and then splattering it all over my face, my neck, my chest, and part of the dress. As you can see right here, I'm adding it just everywhere so that it looks like a bloody mess, and I'm not being neat about it at all. I'm just splattering it everywhere, and I even added eyeshadow onto my arms, as you can see, so that they look dirty and they look old, and that, you know, I've been a zombie for a while. And now for her hair, I'm just putting it down. I'm just leaving it nice and messy, and I'm adding surgical tape on the top of my head, just to make it look a little bit more realistic, like I had a injury before I became a zombie, and adding more of that vampire blood and a little bit of liquid lipstick. I'm putting that right at the top and making it look like I had a wound that was old and dirty. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more Halloween tutorials from me. And do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!